Hello, I am Ryan Lambert, a writing consultant here at the Colorado School of Mines. Let's discuss writing with conciseness, the ability to write without irrelevant words, clauses, and phrases, which is desirable in technical writing. In other words, let's not be wordy. Concise writers convey information clearly, and a concise, simple sentence often does that better than a wordy, convoluted sentence. Often, we can be more concise by simply avoiding redundant phrases and useless intensifiers like very. Instead of using a phrase like, in the event that, use if. Avoid writing, there is absolutely no doubt. Write undoubtedly. There exists no need to ever write a big majority when we can simply use most. Currently works better than at this point in time, and because is always better than due to the fact that. Take a few seconds to look at the chart. Okay, so let's look at an ugly, wordy sentence, and then we'll revise it to be more concise. There is absolutely no doubt that a very large majority of petroleum is in Saudi Arabia, but notwithstanding this fact, Venezuela can produce well over 300,000 barrels of oil. Now that's a mess, right? Here's how I'd revise that sentence. Undoubtedly, Saudi Arabia has most of the world's oil. However, Venezuela can produce well over 300,000 barrels of oil. Finally, we can revise a long, wordy sentence by breaking it up into two or more smaller sentences. Here's a long, convoluted sentence that might, at least at first, confuse a reader. Geologists study more than just rocks, despite most people thinking that geologists only study how rocks change to and from igneous, metamorphic, and sedimentary states. And these people are often surprised by the fact that geologists also study the ocean floor. Okay, let's break this up. Geologists study more than just how rocks change states, igneous, metamorphic, and sedimentary. Surprisingly, geologists also study the ocean floor. See how that is less wordy, how it's clearer? Thank you.